of the morning. He's quite an athlete.
Isn't he? It's great to watch. Thanks for that, buddy.
Jim.
Let's get some weather now with Natalia. Hey, Natalia.
Hey guys,
Sure.
good
Casual
morning
as.
from the beautiful Phillip Island. Hello. Look at me, I've got all my food and my coffee. I'm happy, this is all I need this morning. But we will be exploring the beautiful Phillip Island throughout the morning after, of course, I have had my coffee and the sun has risen in the sky. But before I tell you a little bit more about where I'm sitting right now, let's take a look at what's happening with the weather across Australia on this Monday morning for you. And if you're in Cairns, a possible shower and a top of 31. Townsville mostly sunny and 32. Brisbane, as we heard earlier, 50 millimetres of rain in just 30 minutes for some suburbs yesterday. More rain on the way today with a possible storm. The Gold Coast showers easing and a possible storm. Sydney, partly cloudy and 27 today. Canberra, mostly fine, just a possible shower, 29 the top. Melbourne, a shower or two and windy with a max of 27. Hobart, some rain and 22. A shower or two for Adelaide. Sunny and 25 in Perth. Alice Springs heading for 35. Darwin, a shower or two with a possible storm and 32. Let's have a look at where the rain is falling and showers and storms across northern parts of the country today. And also through southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. A few showers for South Australia with showers spreading into Victoria and rain across Tasmania. Well, this beautiful food you see before me was made by the guys at Isola di Capri here on Phillip Island. It's the cafe that you can see behind me, and it's been run by the same family who are originally from Lake Como in Italy for the past 43 years. So this is an institution, and they bake their own fresh bread every day. That just smells amazing. So I am going to enjoy my bread, my figs, my prosciutto, and my very strong Italian coffee, and I'll be back in about half an hour, guys.
Oh, listen to you.
That's not work.
Oh, Lake Como.
Can you,
Beg your pardon.
George Clooney.
Hopefully it's a bad coffee at least.
Yeah.
That's obscene the way you're waking up this morning, Natalia.
Strong.
Lucky
I'm good.
you. Thanks a lot for that.
Blimey, looks unreal.
See